back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is coming from Outre. I know y'all, it's been a minute since I have reviewed a synthetic wig. This is from their Perfect Hairline NueBlend collection. So this is a human hair blend. I see it is a fully hand-tied 13x6 lace wig, and the style is in HHB straight 40 inches. So baby, she is long and she is in the color natural. She does come in the available colors: natural black, natural brown, chocolate, burgundy, ginger copper, and DR4 sandy blonde. So let's get into it. Love what she's giving in the stock card. It is 11:58 right now. I'm going to spend a solo outing in Chicago. I'm going to Virtue, okay? So I hear really good things about Virtue. If you from Chicago, if you from Hyde Park, you know where Virtue is. That's gonna be my first time going, so I'm going without a reservation. Yeah, so we gonna see if I get in. If not, I'm gonna be cute. So this is the stock card. This burgundy is cute. Oh yeah. Ooh, I'm scared. Good thing it's not a really hot day today in Chicago right now. Tangling and shedding should be at a minimum. It has a nice natural luster, not too shiny. This is the hairline. Beautiful, beautiful pre-plucked. As far as the texture, I wouldn't consider her too yucky. Semi-silk a little bit, but she's not baby doll hair silky, if that makes sense. So this is the lace. This is a really flexible lace. She is thin, as y'all can see. So she does come with 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and the adjustable elastic band. Let's put her on. Let me see what I'm working with before I even get to plucking. Oh, okay, yeah, she is flexible, but baby, she's long. Yeah, she's down to my booty. Oh, I wish I could show y'all for real, but this is how long she is. She's giving, okay. No, she's really cute, y'all. Middle part bust down seems easier. Like, I don't have to pluck, but I am gonna pluck. Too square for me. Like, break this up. Break this up. Plucking is definitely optional for you. Necessary for me. So please stay tuned. At the end, I will give y'all my final thoughts, even see if I can give y'all my thoughts after a full day of wearing her as well. We're gonna put her to the test. We're gonna put her to the test outside. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, I don't have beef with this wig, but I did have my thoughts. Yes, I did cut the hair down, maybe 10 to 15 inches off at least. When I bought it, I definitely would have leaned towards the shorter version of this unit, which they have. They just didn't have this natural color available when I bought her. Like I said, I was stepping out with her all day and I just know she would have tangled up on me so bad. So I used clippers and I blunt cut her. She did of course tangle, but shedding was to a minimum. The pros is how the hair felt and looked after brushing through the tangles. She is a human hair blend, so she didn't react entirely like a synthetic unit. I actually loved the texture of this unit and the density was perfect. She wasn't too heavy and she wasn't too thin. Okay, made it to Virtue. Everything, the food, customer service, everything. Believe the hype and y'all ain't gonna convince me otherwise. This is what she's giving right now. Kind of see like a cast a little bit, but overall this wig is really nice. I really do like that I cut this because she is tangling up, y'all. Also she's a cute wig because we had people hanging out the window. So the wig is doing what she needs to do. Or maybe it ain't the wig. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. The pro and con for me was that lace. Yeah, she's flexible, she's durable, but I wish the lace was a little bit more seamless when it came to blending her with my complexion products. Overall, for the price, I paid $56.99. She was pretty steep, y'all, but she was cute for what it was. Overall, out of 10, I would give her a 7.5. If the lace blended a little bit better, I would have gave her an 8. Now, all I need is Outre to come out with a bob version of this, and then I'll be satisfied. Almost like a money bob, if that makes sense. So, yeah. Those are my thoughts, y'all. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Thank y'all so much for supporting my channel, and thank you for trusting my opinions, my thoughts, and like always, thank y'all so much for coming back, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.